So last time, I realized my audio was kind of low, so I'll try to fix that. And other than that, exactly.
Hey, it's me, Azuka Midoriya. Let's rotate some
Oh
people.
my fucking god, shut up. We can't be associated with that, alright?
Dude, people that do the kind
Yo,
of
it's Grand Wizard Man! What the fuck? Exactly. Okay, I'm gonna go fight somebody random in the back alley or something. That wasn't nice. Grand Wizard Man, stop it! I can't run for long. Oh. Thank you. Also, if you could tell me what weapons are good in this game, that'd be kind of dope. Can I please hit 4? Thank you. Oh, wait, I didn't mean to pull that, but we'll do it. God damn it, dude. You know, it's hard out here. Have a good one. Howdy.
Anyways, how's your day?
It's going great, man. You know.
Nice. Me too. I just finished my cold brew from Wendy's. This place is about to blow.
Yo, that's crazy. Like, honestly. Fuck out of here, bitch! Man, his internet is dog. Okay. Aw, damn. Yeah, I deserve that. How did that hit me? Put that C4 down. Put it down. Yo, I think he's got a point. Well, then who is this? Is it yours? Oh. Watch it! I need explosion clips, and that works. Oh. That's just rude. Worth it. How are you? I was behind the wall. Okay, game change. We're gonna change mid-recording. Okay, so this game's basically War Thunder, but in Roblox. Yeah, I don't really have much to say here, because what is there to say? Nope, no, come here, come here, come here. Come here. No, you don't. Oh, no. And he's gone. Aw, that's kind of anticlimactic, honestly. That him? Why, yes, it is. Ram his armor! Oh, that's not good. Oh, his barrel's broken. Good. Alright guys, peace. Let me know what other games I should play, because I really don't know what else to play.